Let's create it in Filmora 13 application. Make sure you have your video and music uploaded. Begin by applying fast beats to your audio. Now apply this 9-photo collage pip you can find from the Google Drive link in the description of this video. Click Blending, choose Multiply. Keep cursor over the first beat and hit freeze. Bring this freeze split down from switch track. Repeat same step and add 8 more freeze frames. Now from the first pip, shrink picture size and drag between the frames of collage photo. Make sure its ratio is 9:16. Adjust its position. Repeat same step for all the other 8 freezed frames. This is how it should look like. Apply fade-out animation to all of the pips. Now on the last part of the background video. Apply this video effect. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.